We will see how to assemble 8060 door hinge with a capacity of 120 kgs with two hinges in the door shutter. As you can see in the catalog, with the two hinges the capacity is mentioned is 120 kgs with the maximum width of 1600 and maximum height of 3 meters. Now you can see here, these are the standard Eurogroup section type 1 profiles in which we are going to conduct the demo today. This is its profile. First of all, you need to theoretically and practically check whether the sections which you have are exactly as per section type 1. As I am trying to make a test over here, this is the drawing in 1:1 scale, and as you can see here, this is exactly as per section type 1. Even I will check the shutter profile. This is also exactly matching as per Eurogroup section type 1. Now you get the two in the pack of one hinge. You get two bodies like this, one rod, one bush packet, and one counterplate packets. Okay, you have to make sure that it is all included in your set. You have to now cut this. I'll show you. These all components are here. You need to have 3 caps like this, one plastic components like this, and one pin like this. Similarly, I cut this also. It includes 2 counter plates made as per exactly as per the grooves. This will resemble this side. This will come inside the shutter, and this is in the outer frame. And these are its fixing screws, and this is the rod which is going to insert here, which I will show you. Step number 1, you need to identify 2 counter plates as shown here in the step number 1. The step number 1 shows you need to insert the counter plate in sash and a counter plate in the frame. Now I have identified 2 different type of counter plates here. One you have to insert in the outer frame like this, and the other need to insert in the sash frame like this. Step number 2 is to assemble both the wings along with the rod. As you can see here, you need to take this 2 different types of castings are there. Die-casted aluminum it is. You have to insert the rod in this. I took this in the hand and take the rod position as shown over here. Now you have to make sure that the groove over here need to be down. Make sure this grub screw is out. You take it down so that, and you tight it over here so that the motion of the rod is arrested. Now you cannot remove this rod out. This is tight enough. Step number 3 is you get a bushing like this, plastic cap. You have to take this and insert it in this particular location. In this step, this is the step number 4, in which you have to pick up this part. You have to put this, make sure this comes here, and you fix it like this here. Now you can see here, it's assembled like this. After inserting this, you have to take this cap and you have to fix this in this location. Now this is ready to assemble. Now the step number 5 is you have to fix the hinge bottom in the outer frame. You have to take 2 screws from this and 1 grub screw, and you have to fix these screws in the counter plate. It's very simple here. You have to use a suitable Allen key and simply fix this against the counter plates. As you can see, counter plate will come up, and now the grub screw. In the center of the counter plate. To assemble this a little bit with the same way, the counter plate, both the screws and the grub screw like this, and you have to insert it in the sash frame as well. Insert in the sash frame as well, based upon your standard position with respect to the sash. And now simply you have to tight this a little, and you have to check the position. Now this both seems to be okay. Now I tie this. Now your hinge is ready to take the load. After I fix the screws, you make sure the grub screw and all you tight enough to take the load. Now there are three adjustments in this hinge which I will explain you. Depending upon height of and width of the door, you need to fix the number of hinges. Now there is a normal problem in the hinge, a normal problem in the door, that there need to be an adjustment in the door, especially X, Y and Z axis adjustment is required, as I highlighted here in this sheet. This is vertical adjustment. These are both the X and Y axis adjustment. For this you have to adjust the screw so that you can adjust this like this in Y axis plus minus 1 mm, and in this axis 0.5 plus minus it could be adjusted with the help of the Allen key and grub screw adjustment over here. And the pink what I have shown over here is height adjustment device, with the help of which you can adjust 3 mm lateral height of the door. Now I show you this both adjustments here. Simply you have to remove the cap, you have to adjust this. Now you can admire the gap over here. Now after adjusting, you can see this has come inside and even like this inside. Now I adjust, show it this side, adjust the screw like this, also like this. You can check, this has come back, and like this also it has been adjusted. Now again you can fix the cap as it is. And if you need the vertical height adjustment, that height adjustment device is fixed above this, and with the help of Allen key you have to lose the counter plates. You have to lose these counter plates from this side. Don't lose the counter plates from the outer, lose the counter plates from the sash, and adjust the height adjustment device and fix the screws from the outer frame, sash frame. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you understood. Thank you.